Hey guys, this is Alvaro.
I'm Danny,
And we are Bad Boys at Rcrds channel.
Today we are going to talk about how
the Leeventi Teleprompter changed the quality of our videos. Let's go!
So we've been using the Leeventi Teleprompter for 1 week right now, and yeah, it has changed the quality of our videos by a lot. This is a real photograph of how we recorded this old video. Some of you guys would recognize the video, and yeah, we use scripts for some of our videos. You can tell we are reading, and it makes the video not as natural as it could be. That's why we have been testing out this product, because we had to record a lot of videos for companies, festivals, and it really works. This is a real video we recorded a couple of days ago for a festival, and yeah, you can tell that we are looking at the camera and it makes you to stay focused on what we are saying. So first of all, we wanted to talk about the things that we really liked about this product, and as you can see, it is very easy to set up. Also, we saw that many people has complained about the light and the glass, but if we follow the guideline, it is very easy to set up. We liked a lot how it looks, because let's be honest, it makes your productions look more professional from the outside, and it is very interesting for us that you can also record with your mobile phone or camera. Both of them work. All you have to do is try to put as close as possible the lens to the glass and attach it using any of the holes. Also, we really liked that it makes it very portable, as the screen can be even your phone or tablet or wherever you want. All you need is to download the Leeventi Teleprompter app, or just go to the webpage included with your product and use the code included with your product, and it will forward to a free webpage where you can type or paste your text and start working in less than 1 minute. Another option we have tried these days is to use the app with the included remote, because yeah, it includes a remote too, so you can move the text and you don't have to worry about it going too fast or too slow. Also, of course, we wanted the teleprompter to stand on a tripod, and using this little piece you can mount it in any tripod. This way we can give the shot we want and use the teleprompter at the same time. We like that you can easily access to the camera even if everything is mounted, so you don't have to worry. And another idea we had was that you can share your screen to another phone or to a tablet, and maybe have someone control the screen or even to use it for video calls. In this case, the limit is your imagination, so let's do it. In summary, let's talk about the pros and cons we have found. The biggest pro for us is that it really includes everything you need, but it also includes more pieces that will take your videos to the next level. Also, we like the price. Of course, it is very cheap for a teleprompter, because you can search for other kinds of teleprompters and they are very expensive compared to this one. We liked how easy it is to mount the Leeventi Teleprompter, and it also includes 2 glasses, what is very helpful. We also like how professional it looks and the results of your videos for a very cheap product, and the fast delivery was a pro for us too. What we think could be improved is some parts are made of plastic, but it is okay for us because of the price. Maybe the piece to attach the teleprompter to a tripod could be smaller, because at the beginning our tripod didn't reach that piece. And the biggest problem for us is that now we want to buy another one, because it has really helped us a lot, and we are always fighting because we want to use it for our videos, but we can use it at the same time, of course. So in summary, yes, we would recommend this product, and we wanted to share this secret with you because we are always trying to show you the magic behind our videos. Thank you to Rcrds for giving us the opportunity to make this kind of video, and thank you for watching the video. See you next time, bye!